creative people, and honestly, I am dying to see each and every artwork here which is around. I know the theme is beautiful today. It's about world peace, it's about responsible art, it's about sustainability. And I can tell you that all three of them are interrelated. Our responsibility is towards the world, our responsibility is towards sustainability, and therefore together, by merging all three as artists, as creative people, there is so much that we can contribute through the visual medium of art and painting. Each work that you do, and this is for all the artists present here, and trust me, you people are so lucky that you can take a paint and brush and whichever medium you are using, be it a sculpture or any other medium, you can translate it into something so beautiful which is in your heart, in your mind. The responsibility comes when you go one step further, like Dr. Anjali's artwork I saw, she has integrated Zardozi work, which is a very traditional old textile craft from Lucknow. And that is true sustainability, because what she is putting together is also bringing the craft into the painting, which is a very beautiful way of respecting the aspects of sustainability, because that's the only way our beautiful heritage crafts will be alive in the years to come. And each one of us should strive to use some way, some tribal craft, some traditional art, something within our realm of creativity, so that we not only celebrate these arts, but we actually keep it alive for the world to appreciate. You know, when we talk about Germany, we talk about cars. The moment we say wines, which country comes to your mind? France. When we talk about crafts and art and creativity, the first country that should come to our mind is India. And that is what our efforts are got to be. Together, collectively, let us create that impact. And thanks to Dr. Vishnu and his initiatives to bring Germany and India together, why not bring the other parts of the world together and create those possibilities where each one of us gets recognized, not just nationally, but internationally. And trust me, the kind of artwork that I see around, each one of you participating today deserves to be known, to be accoladed, and definitely to be celebrated. And one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, friends, girls and boys, don't run after money. You just be true to your craft, to your art. Genuinity, integrity, these are not just words in the dictionary. Take inspiration from a lot of painters and artists who have done successfully in their lives. But when it comes to your work, be authentic. And trust me, if you're authentic and if you're true to your craft, you will not only be recognized while you're still alive, you will have abundance of money and recognition that you truly deserve. So keep that in mind, stay authentic, stay true to yourself, use technology which is all there around us to showcase your work to the world. Marketing is important, branding yourself is important, learn them online, chase people like Dr. Vishnu's and Dr. Anjali's and Poonamji and others, and make sure you are seen in that horizon where people celebrate you. I, for one, am absolutely impressed with whatever I see around me, and I wish you all the very, very best. And I hope that one day I will be proud to say that each one of you, I had the opportunity of coming and inaugurating a show like this. Because you guys are going to be very popular, I know, and then I'll have to take time to meet you. Thank you so much. All the